Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing safety. Respirator, chemical-resistant gloves, and goggles are non-negotiable. Once suited, remove the wheel and set it on a protected bench in a ventilated space. Make sure to block off drains. Use 80-120 grit sandpaper to knock down the chrome sheen and expose edges so the stripper can bite. This creates mechanical adhesion points. You are not polishing now, you are breaking the chrome film. Once done, brush away dust and prepare the chemical step immediately while the surface is clean. You choose a stripper formulated for chrome. It works by lifting the plating rather than attacking base metal. Apply a 1/8 to 1/4 inch coat with a disposable brush, covering edges and lug recesses. Wait 10 to 20 minutes, then agitate stubborn areas with a nylon brush and gently scrape softened chrome off with a plastic scraper. Avoid metal tools on exposed metal. Once removed, neutralize according to product directions, rinse thoroughly with water, and dry immediately to prevent flash corrosion. You finish by sanding the bare surface progressively. Start with 220 and move to 400 grit to feather edges, then clean with solvent. If you plan to paint, apply an etch primer to promote adhesion and prevent flash rust. Allow full cure before top coats. If you encounter deep pitting or dark steel exposure that won't take filler, consider professional replating. Troubleshooting tip: if chrome flakes return, make sure you fully removed the original plating and neutralized chemicals. Incomplete stripping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.